Before you watch the video, subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon for notifications. Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about the applications to problems based on the articles and their cause, and the concept from linear equation in two variables from the 10th class. Okay, let us see this question. 4 chairs and 3 tables cost rupees 2100 and 5 chairs and 2 tables cost rupees 1750. So find the cost of a chair and a table separately. Let us see how do we find the cost of a chair and table separately. So in the previous videos we have learned how to solve the linear equation of two variables given two equations, right? Okay, so let us see here. The first is let the cost of each table equals to rupees X. Let the cost of each table equals to rupees X. Let the cost of each table equals to rupees X. Then the chair equals to rupees Y. So there are 4 chairs. If each chair is Y, if each chair cost is rupees Y, then 4 chairs cost would be 4Y, and each table cost rupees X, then 3 tables cost would be 3X. So what is the total cost of 4 chairs and 3 tables? That is equals to rupees 2100. Similarly, 5 chairs means when each chair cost is Y rupees, so the 5 chair costs 5Y and 2 tables cost 2X. So together of this is cost rupees 1750. So let us see how to simplify this. We know I use elimination method here to solve this these two equations. So I would like to make like coefficients of X should be equal, so that I would multiply the first equation with 2 and the second equation with 3. So what happened, that becomes 2 times of 4 is 8y, 2 times of 3x is 6x, equals to 2 times of 2100 is 4200. Similarly, 3 times of 5 is 15y, plus 3 times 2 is 6x, equals to 3 times 1750. That becomes 3 0, 3 5 is 15, 1, 3 7 21, 22, 2, 3 1 is 3 plus 5, this is 5. And let us see how to solve this. Let's to eliminate the variable of 6x, we have to see that to subtract the equation like minus, minus and minus, so that these two get eliminated. Now 8y minus 15y is minus 7y, equals to, so 0, 5, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 1, and this is minus, right? So now what happens, this minus get, both sides of a minus get cancelled, so that y equals to 1050 divided by 7, that equals to, let us see, 7 1 7, here 3 remains, and 7 5s 35, 7 zeros, so that 150. So what is the y value? That is 150. It means what is y? Y is nothing that the cost of a chair is rupees 150. So I got the both. So cost of a chair equals to rupees 150, and then the cost of a table. Okay, now we knew the cost of a chair, so let us see the cost of a table to find. Done. So here we got the cost of a chair, that is rupees 150. Now to find the cost of a table, let us substitute the y value in the equation, like 4y plus 3x equals to 2100. So I would do that now. 4y plus 3x equals 2100 and y equals to 150. So just substitute this value there. So 4 times of 150 plus 3 times of x equals to 2100. So what happened, that 4 times of 150 is like 600 plus 3 times x equals to 2100. So now 3x equals to 2100 minus 600, that is 1500. So that x equals to, we would get 500, because 3 times of 500 is nothing that 1500. So x is nothing that, we can see here that we have taken that cost of a table is rupees x. Cost of each table is rupees x, and so that the cost of a table is, so cost of a table equals to rupees what, 500, and cost of a chair is, equals to rupees 150. So this is how we would like to find the cost of a chair and a table, right? Let us see one more example. Let us see one more example, that A and B each have certain number of oranges. A says to B, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have twice the number of oranges left with you. B replies, if you give me 10 oranges, I will have the same number of oranges as left with you. Find the number of oranges with A and B separately. Fine. Let us see. It's also very simple, that let's think that let A has x number of oranges. Let A has x number of oranges. Then B has y number of oranges. A has x number of oranges and the B has y number of oranges. So what happened then? So that what we can do is here, let us see the condition first. If A says to B, if you give 10 oranges, okay, so if A would get 10 oranges, right? So actually A has x. Now 10 oranges were given from B. So what would be the B has? Y minus 10. And what he said, that I will have the twice the number of oranges, means A is having twice the number of oranges left with B. So the number of oranges left with B is y minus 10. Twice he said, that is 2 times. So this is a condition 1. Then if you simplify that, x plus 10 equals to 2y minus 20, 2 times of y and 2 times of 10, and that equals to x plus 10 equals plus 20 minus 2y equals to 0. So if I simplify more, I would get x minus 2y equals to 10 plus 20, 30. Transfer this side, it gets minus 30. This is equation 1. Let us see the equation 2. What B replies? If you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have the same number of oranges as left with you. So let us see based on the second condition. What? We know that A is having x oranges, right? A is having x oranges and B is having y oranges. But what B said? If you give me, means if B would get 10 oranges, so it means it has same as a number of oranges left with A. So x minus 10, that is A. So both are equal. So to simplify this, x minus 10 equals to y plus 10, right? Same. Then it is x minus y equals to minus 10, transfer this at plus 10, that becomes 20. So x minus y equals to 20, as this is the second equation. What is the first equation we have? X minus 2y equals to minus 30. Let us write x minus 2y equals to minus 30. And the second equation is x minus y equals to 20. Let me simplify here. To eliminate x, I would like to change the signs, like doing subtraction here, so that these get cancelled. And minus 2y plus y, that becomes minus y equals to minus 50. So minus minus got eliminated, so that y equals to 50. If y equals to 50, let us take any one of the equation here. Now let us substitute the y value in any one of the equation. I would like to take the equation 2, so that x minus y equals to 20, and here x minus 50 equals to 20, so that x equals to 70, because minus 50 transfer this side, so that here A has 70 oranges and the B has 50 oranges. This is how we find what the A and B has, right? So this is just an example how to solve the questions related with the application to problems based on articles and their costs. And in the next video, we would like to see a few more about solving applications based on the numbers using the linear equations in two variables, right? Thank you for watching. If you have any more queries and questions, you can give us a mail at askagaamath@gmail.com. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.